Let's make beef stir fry today, or beef and vegetable sauce. This is very easy to make. It turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Just look at it, try it, and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. So these are my chopped meat. So that's our great ginger and garlic. I'm using the fresh ginger and fresh garlic, but if you want, you can use ginger powder and garlic powder. Once you are done grating, go ahead and add in your spices. So I added in meat spices or meat seasoning and then chili powder. So if you're not a chili lover, you can just use black pepper. I then added in onion powder, salt, Maggi sauce, stirred till well combined, and then I covered it with a cling film. I set it aside for it to marinate for about 2 hours. If you don't have enough time, you can go ahead, right ahead and cook it. But I was having that much time still, and I prefer marinating it before. It gives it extra taste. So after 2 hours, I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil to my saucepan, and then I transferred the meat in. I'll let this cook for about 5 minutes before adding in a little bit of water. My beef was not that thin sliced. It was like somehow thick, so I prefer making it tender before adding in my vegetables. So I added in water, I covered it and let it cook from 10 to 15 minutes. This is not huge or like that big. So 15 minutes later, it was soft enough for my liking, and then I added in my vegetables. So if your meat is that thin sliced, there's no need for you to add in much water or to add in water. Stir fry it and add in your vegetables. Add in enough water, you're good to go. So after adding in the vegetables, I then added in soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and then I stirred till well combined. I let it cook for about 3 minutes. Then I added in a tablespoon of flour, just flour. If you don't have flour, you can use cornstarch. You want the sauce to thicken up, that's why I added in the flour. So I'll set this to well combined again, and then added in a little bit of water just to at least help to get enough sauce, not that much, just a little bit. So the last spices going in was curry powder and vegetable seasoning. So basically that's it, guys. This is very easy to make. I then added in my last vegetables and stirred till well combined. So this is very simple, it is easy, and it's so delicious. So we ate this with jollof, pairing this with jollof. Wow, it was delicious, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Just look at this. The beef was very tender, was delicious, and wow, it took it to the next level. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.